Scratch number 4. Why are you not scratching number 4? Alright, what's up everybody and welcome back. Okay, so for those of you who don't know, I am in the US right now and I kind of left things off pretty choppy when it came to my vlog. So I did take a break, but I'm back now. I had gone to Dubai for a week. Before that I did Kerala twice. I'm going to be putting those videos up pretty soon. And now I've been in the US for the past 2 months. The only reason why I did not want to vlog in the US is because it is so cold, so cold. I really cannot tell you how cold it was. If you saw my Instagram stories, you know I kept on tagging the weather and how cold it was. I couldn't even dare take my hand out of my pocket, leave alone take a shot. But I'm back now. How much did you win?
I won $10. Ew! Careful!
Okay, so no matter where you go in the US, let it be a small city, big city, anywhere, at any grocery store, convenience store, gas station, liquor store, smoke shop, you find these lottery scratch cards which you can buy for anywhere between $1, $2, $5, $10, 20, 30, 50, and even 100. I don't know about 100, but up to $50 scratch cards. So you buy these scratch cards, you scratch away, you match the prizes, and you win money. Trust me when I say this, if you're a tourist and you are visiting the US, if you buy these scratch cards and you play them smart and you play them right, literally it helps you cover so much of your expenses. I used to spend about $10 to $15 almost every day, and believe me, if I calculate it correctly and I look at the overhaul, I came out in a profit and it took care of so much of my expenses in the US. First of all, I suggest you do not play the $1, $2 cards. Yes, you do win, but you win even money. So most of the times whenever I play these cards, I either won my money back or maybe $1 or $2 back. I see a winner. Okay. I see number 4. Scratch number 4. Scratch number 4. Why are you not scratching number 4?
Okay, hold on. So you see we've got big numbers here.
Very big numbers.
Right, so this is gonna be a very big number because
Oh my god, don't keep me in so much.
so you see we've got
Come on. Fuck, that's horrible. $5.
be careful, Janju.
Okay, so we got a 7 over here, and it says, get a 7 symbol, win double the prize shown. I'm not going to reveal the prize right now. Alright, so these are winning numbers. So these are the lucky numbers, these are your numbers basically, and you've got to get kind of match and all. So is there an 8? No 8. 19? No 19. 17? No 17. 2, nope. 4, nope. 9, nope. 10, nope. 5, nope. 15, oh so close, no, and a 20. Let's check the price. 7 5s are $35, baby. We win $35. Now, how do you spot a winner? It's very simple. There are millions of lottery companies and cards, different types of scratch cards and all that. Go onto Google and find out which one's the hottest and play that only. Now, when you play that, look out for anywhere, like I was lucky in the range of between 100 and 40. Now what I mean by that, every lottery scratch card has a serial number, so look out for that serial number between the ranges of 100 and 40 and 100, and trust me, you'll bang a winner.